Hey, how are you guys? This is Ringtones back with another awesome video. So in this video, I'll be telling you how to customize your Android device by applying a visualizer in your navigation bar or notch. So the application that we are going to use is Muviz. You can just check out in the Play Store or link is given in the description. You can download from that. So this application provides you different types of visualizers with different colors, different shapes, and with different designs so that it gives you a cool look for your Android device. So it appears whenever you play music, video, or in your YouTube and even in your social medias. So let's see how to customize. So guys, this is the main screen where they set a few settings so that the application accesses your Android device. So you can see three options given in the screen. You have to select one of them. So it provides you either you want on the notch or in your navigation bar. So I will keep it on the navigation bar. So this is the main screen where you get different types of visualizers. So let me select one of them and let's move on. So guys, there's the option of go live. If you click on it, the visualizer appear on the navigation bar. You can also see a customized visualizer option. It provides you three different types of options where you can customize the current visualizer by adjusting its frame rate, resonance rate, height. So guys, let's see how to create your own visualizer. You can see a plus sign on top. If you click on it, the application provides you different types of options like shape, color, color gradient, size and height. And you can see in the bottom the different types of visualizer appearing. You can select one of them and start customizing the visualizer. So the premium version provides you to unlock all the visualizer designs and premium shapes and ad-free experiences. So the cost is $1.2 only.